Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box with the Technical Trader at techtrader.com. It is Tuesday, the 26th of November. These are the charts of the day. A pretty good day on Wall Street, particularly for trading. A lot of stocks did well that we follow. Let's take a look at starting with AGFY, which has been unbelievable, quite frankly. 3 weeks in a row now, this stock's been up from 3, that's right, 3 to 69 in 3 weeks. Now, last week when it popped in 3 days here and then consolidated, we thought if it breaks out above 24, it could run. Little we know. Anyway, the extension target now is in the 85-90 range, but be careful. I think today's session low at 43 is a stopping point, but that's 19 points from where we are. So you have to drill down into where the intraday stuff was. For me, anything under 52, 55 would be a place to stop it. Now, you can see the coil that developed late in the day. So this doesn't even look done yet. Next target, like I said, 85 range. This could be amazing even tomorrow, but also so extended, it could plunge at any moment. Be careful. Is what we're seeing late in the day and after hours. Pretty amazing move. Let's move on. The Dow, a Chinese play which popped and wedged, today broke out with a thrust. Now, this is not a heavily traded stock, 372,000 traded, up 18.5% or 98 cents. And it closed at the upper end of the range. It very well may extend, targeting 7.5 and 9. EMBC had a big day today, spiked from 14 to 21 nearly, 50% pop, and then pulled back to 1830. Was up net 389 or 27%, 1.9 million. It's the kind of stock that is thin enough that it could fly. The next target would be if it does 24. HSAI breaking out of a base, another Chinese play. Gapped and ran, went from 511 to 855 and backed off to 713. It was still up 238 or 50%. Volume was a 37 million share day, and this one it did get to resistance and backed off. So let's see what it does going forward. How about our swing at Laird Superfoods? Pop coil, pop little pennant, pop a long coil. This is more of a falling wedge. Then another pop and flag, and if things stair stepping its way higher, I believe mid to high teens is going to be done on this one. Not bad from under $1. LX popped, pulled back. I believe this is also a Chinese stock. It might be. In any case, pop, wedge. Today the wedge broke. And it popped from 333 to 436, and then it pulled back to 427, but pretty close to the high for the day, up 87 cents. That's a 25% gain, 16 million traded. I believe we're going to test 4 3/4 and then maybe go to 6. NRG in the nuclear, or at least utility power group, had a big reversal engulfing day from 90 to 102, finished just under the high, up 971, a 10% gain. The way this looks, I think 112.15 and then 125 would be potential targets on the follow through. Big day for PDYN AI. Now 3 days in a row, but actually it was up for 4 days in a row. Had a little bit of a pullback yesterday. Today an engulfing reversal day, which means it may not be done. Now, I don't know how far they can take this. This looks like a reverse split, which I think it might be. But if it does run, possibility we see something in the mid-teens. Keep an eye on this one tomorrow. Could fly. Poet. Nice run today, but it backed off late in the day. Nevertheless, it broke out and followed through. Got up to near resistance there. Right at 535 and backed off. If it gets to a year, 6 and 7 may be doable. REPL popped 2 days ago. We put a swing on it, then backed off and tested. Today it snapped back, although it was an inside day. Volume was 2.3 million. It was up 9%. This one, if it gets to, I think, yesterday's high at 1512, could run right back to 17, 19, and 21, or follow through targets if it goes. Rocket Lab definitely owning up to its own name. Rocketed after the August pop and falling flag, and then popped and flag, popped and flag, popped and from the pennant. You can see the way it acted until just recently when it spiked from 10.85 to today's nearly $26. It did hit 26.71. Not on the day, 25.83 up 177, 7.5%. Fantastic chart. Momentum could take it into the low 30s. SMTC broke out with a breakaway gap out of a rising channel, is now accelerating. I have a $69 and $73 targets. Tnya, big pop today. Again, nice follow through. 3 days in a row, taking it from 210 to 353, about a 50% pop in 3 days. The lateral resistance target is 4. We get through that, 5 1/4. TOYO with a big pop today. I believe that's another Chinese play. Pop from 3 to 674, finished 522 up 232, 80% on 64 million shares. Now there is some resistance up here around 7.25. Today's high was a little less than that. That's my target as well. And finally, VST in the energy group, probably my favorite. Look at this long-term chart. Unbelievable. Where's the blow off? Well, probably $200. In any case, it's a 3-day flag, and let's see what it does with that. This is HP signing off. That's it for today.